We know you had an amazing summer out on the lake. Sunshine, family, friends, and memories that will last forever. But don't let your boat show it. All that fun can leave behind dirt, stains, and wear that can take a toll if it's left untreated. And that's where we come in. Our professionals boat detailing service will bring back that showroom shine, inside and out. From basic soap and water washdowns to a full detail service, our detail department will guarantee your satisfaction. Now, on a full detail, he would start by first pressure washing the outside of the boat. He would then acid wash the water line and down, and then we would go through and you could either do a 1 or 2 stage compound for the exterior. He would also do inside of the boats, protect it on the seats, as well as cleaning up the floors. He would get under the seats and do all those compartments as well. Helm would be cleaned up, and we would also do the bimini for whatever top you have as well. Whether you're storing your boat for the winter or getting ready for another day on the lake, keep it clean and protected. Schedule your boat detailing today because your boat deserves to shine as much as your summer memories.